if I told you that a single penny, yes, $0.01, is responsible for building some of the biggest companies on Earth? Not billion-dollar inventions, not huge machines, not secret formulas, just 1 cent. And here's the crazy part. You've seen this trick your entire life, but never noticed it. And companies don't just use it, they depend on it. Because this tiny trick quietly adds millions to their revenue every year. Today, I'll show you how this penny trick works, how it built giant companies, and how it still shapes what you buy every single day. 1. The secret behind $9.99. Let's start with the most famous example, $9.99. You see it everywhere. Clothes, phones, food, streaming subscriptions. But why not just say $10? It's 1 penny, 1 single cent. Why? Because your brain reads numbers from left to right. When it sees 9, your brain says, oh, it's in the 9 range, not the 10 range. Cheaper. Even though it's just a penny less. 2. How companies discovered this. This trick is older than your grandparents. It started in the early 1900s. Back then, store owners noticed something weird. Products priced at 99 cents sold way better than $1. So they tried 9.99 instead of 10. Sales jumped again. And that's when companies realized. 3. The birth of the left digit effect. Economists later called this the left digit effect. It's simple. So your brain thinks it's cheaper by a lot more than just 1 cent. Visual metaphor. Giant number, 9 wearing a hero cape. Tiny number, 0.99 hiding behind it. Think about companies like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, McDonald's, every fast food chain ever. These companies live on thin margins. Tiny profits per item. Millions of items sold. So changing a price from $10 to $9.99 instantly made more people buy. Multiply that by 100 million customers. Visual metaphor. A penny rolling down a hill, turning into a giant avalanche of coins. Walk into any store. Look closely. Everything ends in 0.99, 0.95, 0.97, 0.49. These are magic numbers used to nudge your brain. And it's not random. It's carefully tested, optimized, measured. Because stores know a small price change creates a big behavior change. Airlines price at $199, $299, $399, not $200, not $300. Why? Because you feel like you're getting a huge deal even when you aren't. Hotels do it too. Car rentals, subscriptions, visual metaphor. Eventually, customers realized, wait, $9.99 is not a deal. It's just marketing. But companies didn't stop. They doubled down, used bolder tricks. Tech companies. When apps and digital services launched, people finally saw Netflix, $9.99. Spotify, $9.99. Apple Music, $9.99. YouTube Premium, $11.99. Almost every subscription had a 9.99 price. People started joking. Did everyone copy each other? But the truth is darker. They weren't copying. They were using the same research. 9. The data that blew everyone's minds. When tech companies A/B tested, $10 versus $9.99, even online, the difference was massive. More clicks, more signups, more conversions. Even though you're staring at the number right in front of you, you still choose the one that starts with 9. Companies then invented $0 trials. First month, $1. Only 99 cents today. A penny became a weapon. Visual metaphor. A penny transforming into a magic wand casting by now sparkles. But here's the real twist, the part nobody talks about. The 1 cent trick isn't evil. It's not a scam. It's just psychology. But once you understand it, you stop falling for it. You start seeing the real price. You start thinking clearly. And suddenly, you make smarter decisions than 90% of people. Because once you see the trick, you can't unsee it. If you want more simple breakdowns of the money tricks companies use every day, hit subscribe. We'll uncover the next one together.